Okay, well, we're here in one of Washington's many national parks. Just kidding. It's my backyard.
I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Just keep your hands and feet indoors, but we're gonna stay outdoors. We're gonna be finding lots of different kinds of birds. Think of it as a scavenger hunt, almost. It's kind of funny to think about it like that. Let's go check it out. This is one of my favorite places to come. If you had a ball, you can dig a hole. I think there's one around here somewhere. You can't jump infinitely high indoors, but you can outside. Let's find a different spot. There's no animals around here. This is one of my favorite spots in nature because of the smell. Well, let's go to the next spot. I didn't see any animals in here. Where are all the animals? Well, that about wraps up the show. I'll keep you updated and post your thoughts into the comments. All right.